Ever wondered if you really need videos to sell your product in 2025? Or maybe your time is better spent on other parts of your business? If that sounds like you, this video is for you. Let's begin. Imagine you have a product that solves a real problem for people, and there are people out there who are willing to pay money to have that problem solved. But those people need to actually know your product exists. That's where advertising comes in. The whole idea of advertising is to put your product in front of the people who want it, and that part is super important. So how do you do that? You show your product in places where your customers already spend their time. For example, when people drive to work every day, they see billboards along the road. Or when they come home and turn on the TV, they see ads during commercial breaks. The sellers are always trying new ways to meet their customers where they already are. But people usually get annoyed when they see too many ads. That happens when the ad isn't really for them. It's just wasting their time. For example, imagine you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, and suddenly an ad pops up. The ad is about a new AI-powered video editing software. If you don't make videos normally and you just want to watch the show, that ad feels pointless and annoying. But if you are someone like me, I'm always searching for new ways to improve my video creation process. So that ad might feel like gold to me, and I'll click on their website and go watch the new features they have. So the key is showing the right solution to the right people. That's what good marketing is all about. There are a lot of ways to do this, and videos are one of them. But not all businesses need videos to sell their product. For example, a bakery selling breads. Everyone knows what bread looks like and tastes like. So if you are a local bakery shop, as long as the people near you know your location, you don't need videos. Or when you go grocery shopping in a shop close to your area, you don't need a movie trailer to buy a potato. But at the same time, there are millions of businesses that need videos to sell their product. For example, if their target audience are watching social media, or spending time on shopping websites, or watch TV and see billboards with videos, or they see the screens inside the shops, or even when they go to events and they see the video loops on the screens. So if your target audience are not usually online, or they don't watch TV, and they never see a billboard with your video on it, or your shop doesn't have a video screen that show your products, plus you never participate in events with big LED screens to show your product in motion, then you never need videos for your business. Focus on making the best experience for your customers. But if you are running a business that's already doing everything I mentioned, then not only you need videos, but you have to make them all the time. And here's what's happening as of August 2025. Based on this article, 89% of businesses are using videos as marketing tool in 2025. And Instagram Reels alone get an estimated 150 billion views per day, 300 billion globally in 2025. And product listing videos can improve conversion rates by up to 80%. So if you are in 2025 and not making videos for your business, you are missing out on a lot of sales. My suggestion is to start creating a clear plan of how videos can help boost your sales using the strategies I have been talking about. And from there, you have two options. If you have the budget, you can outsource your video creation to someone you trust. And if you don't, you can learn how to do it yourself. And that's exactly why I am sharing as much as I can on this YouTube channel about video creation, especially for small business owners who sell a product. So hit that subscribe button and I'll take you from a beginner to a pro video creator for your product business. See you in the next video.